Monday, I made Trinidadian sauce. We use pork feet. You can use pork or chicken. The recipe will be in my Instagram and IG account if you want to check that out.
This is like I always was trying to text her when we were together. She's saying how we text my ex too, right?
When?
Like around when me and Giselle broke up. Well, no, she texted me.
This was dinner for me and my husband. This was the baby's dinner. She did not want the sauce. The boys had leftover macaroni as well. Tuesday's dinner was a BLT. Wednesday's dinner was lasagna. Thursday's dinner was a chili.
Give me that.
I wanted to show you guys those plaques that I bought at Aldi's last week. My husband put them in the bathroom. They're really cute. They were $7.99. This is Friday's dinner. We had udon cups that I got at Costco. Really simple. I did not feel like cooking. Saturday was the Chinese New Year, so I wanted to make a big feast of homemade Chinese food. So I cooked a few different dishes. I made fried rice, ramen noodles, but like a stir fry. I made sesame chicken and a type of Chinese chicken and broccoli that I kind of I had to run to Aldi's to get some stuff to finish cooking for that Saturday. And I wound up finding this rug, which was $14.99. Super cute. Probably would have gotten a different color, but that's all they had at that time. Excuse me for like a minute. So I haven't made homemade Chinese food in a while, but the kids really did love the sesame chicken. The other dish I kind of just winged it. The chicken and broccoli the kids like, but not as much as they love this one. So this one I will definitely make again in the future. It's really simple. You're the best. Debbie's the best. Zeus. This was Saturday's dinner for the Chinese New Year, homemade Chinese food. This was the rug that I purchased at Aldi's. I put it underneath my chair by my desk. We went out to get coffee and the kids wanted ice cream, so we got them the Valentine's special at Baskin-Robbins, which is raspberry and dark chocolate. Sunday, I made waffles for breakfast for the kids.
Orange.
I had gone out to Aldi's and to the local supermarket. I found this on offer. Also got these sausages for later on in the week, and I got this for today. And I got a few other things that I needed, and I found these, I found that. I'm going to try that today. And these bananas for 87 cents. This I made for the boys for lunch today. I just cooked the sausage in a little oil. I fried that for a few minutes, covered it. Then I added 1 whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of slap your mama seasoning. Let that cook for about 15 minutes and then serve it with some bread. The kids wanted wings today for the Super Bowl, but I did not cook anything but the wings because we have tons of leftovers. So I just seasoned the wings with onion powder, garlic powder, slap your mama, black pepper, and bacon powder. Baked that in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And then I put a little sauce that I made, which was ketchup, barbecue sauce, peri-peri sauce. There's Trinidadian hot sauce. I mixed that with the wings, and then I put it under the broiler for about like 2 to 3 minutes on high, and that was that. Sunday's homemade wings. What are you guys gonna play? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification for future videos.